Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing, number 45 King George Crescent in Bowmanville. Let's check it out. Here we are inside this beautiful freehold end unit townhome featuring over 2,200 square feet of living space with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and full of beautiful finishes throughout. To highlight a few of my favorite features in this 1.5-year-old beautiful home, we have a gourmet kitchen with center island, quartz waterfall counters, great stainless steel appliances, a walkout here off of the kitchen area to your private terrace, beautiful hardwood flooring, 9-foot ceilings throughout, and best of all, an additional rooftop terrace. Please check it out. I hope you enjoyed the tour and didn't miss any detail that this beautiful home has to offer. If you have any additional questions or would like to book a private showing, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.